Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix network signal issues on your Samsung S25 Plus. So if you're experiencing weak signal, dropped calls, or no service at all, follow along for the best solutions. So first, what you can try is turn on and turn off airplane mode. So how you do that, you need to swipe down from the top, and now you need to open the quick settings here. Now enable the airplane mode and wait 10 to 15 seconds and then tap airplane mode again to turn it off. Now it should refresh and check if your signal improves. Now what we can try next, if it did not help, we can try a simple restart that can fix many network issues or connecting issues. So how we do that is we hold the power button and the volume down button, and now click restart and tap again to restart the phone. Now wait for it to turn back on. Now what you can try is checking the SIM card. If you have it on your phone, make sure to use the SIM ejector tool to open it, and now take off your SIM card. And what you need to check is if there are any problems like dust, but you can try and wipe it so it's clean with a clean cloth. And now what you need to do is get your SIM card, take it, and now enter it to your phone again. Now what you can try is resetting the network settings, because sometimes they can be misconfigured, and resetting them can help resolve those issues. So go to settings, and now what you need to check for is the general management, which is almost at the bottom. Now click here, and what you need to do is tap on reset, and now tap on the reset network settings. Now click reset settings and reset, and as you guys can see, now they're reset to the default. Now what you can do is check for the software updates, because they can sometimes cause the network signal issues. So go to settings and now go to software update. Here click on download and install, and make sure that you are running the latest update, just like me here. And if it did not help, what you need to do is contact your carrier or try a different SIM card, because there is no other option for this phone. So if your Samsung S25 Plus had network signal problems, one of these solutions should have fixed it. Let me know in the comments if it did and you have any other issues, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, bye.